The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, big up and respect to each and everyone. You know, this is the Seriousskilla and I'm here to show you this video. This video is out on social media. You know, it shows off vehicles, you know, which is said to be taxis, you know, and it says that these taxis is seen on the road that is known as Moulins Road. That is in the parish of St. Andrew, Jamaica, right? And you know, some things have been said about this video. You know, some persons are saying, hey, the taxi operators, they are acting a certain way on the road, and you know, and all kind of things have been said, you know. Now, viewers and subscribers, with all due respect, I would like to say, you know, to taxi operators, please be careful. You know what I mean? We have persons' lives in your hand right there, isn't it? And I'm not doing this out of disrespect. I'm doing this out of concern, and I wish nothing but the best for everyone, you know. And I know that people intend to make money and to better them lives. You know what I mean? I know that, you know, some call it hustling and all these things, and I could never disrespect anyone for trying to do that. But at the same time, in my point of view, I don't think it makes sense to put yourself in danger and put other people in danger just to earn that cash. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah, because the money that you earn for years of work, you can lose everything just by one mistake, you know, one big terrible mistake, you see? Yeah, so that's my best advice, you know what I mean? I want nothing but the best for everyone. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, and some people call driving like this bad driving and reckless driving, you know. Yeah, and some persons on social media says that this video shows of reckless driving of, you know, taxi operators, or you can say taxi, on the road that is known as Moulins Road, which is in St. Andrew, Jamaica. All right, but at the same time, some persons find it amusing. You see? Well, I guess I can't get everyone to share the same opinion. What do you think about the driving that you see of these taxis that is shown in the video? And of course, you know that these vehicles are being driven by taxi operators. All right? Yeah, so this is where me leave it. So until the next time, my name is Seriousskilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.